Got this. Double Pila kill. I think he's objective.
Go, secure that objective. Gear up, we're going back in.
Did I just kill myself?
Clip it! Clip it! Fucking clip it! No! So fast! Nice, Devin.
I know. We're so nice that we donate wins on our favorite map.
Top middle. Find me. If we got collided, I would have blamed you. I had nowhere to go.
Bitch.
It's not top. It's on me.
Set the tempo.
Okay, I don't know what's going on.
They win this, they win it all.
Do you like that?
Left stairs, left stairs.
2 wins down, keep up the pressure.
These guys are cracked out.
Take this round, we stay alive.
Thanks, I know. I feel pretty good.
Hey, my guy's stairs.
Just see.
Objective. On. Nice,
Bring it
cock.
out, keep going. Welcome.
Hey, don't hate on this game. It's the best game ever created.
I don't know about the best ever, but
Down low left. Pushing up.
All we've got.
No way!
was that a double headshot or just one headshot? I'm not sure. Sit the fuck down.
We'll find out. Clip it, we'll find out.
You'll see it. You bitch.
Guy goes,
He's gonna run into my claymore. Oh, he didn't. You're welcome.
Thank you. That was fucking surgical. You like that?
Wish it showed me teabagging on him. There we go.
Ah, yes, we're back.
You guys suck.